Hey guys, and welcome to this Etsy studio vlog where I made this custom set right here, and I'm going to show you from start to finish what I did to make this. So first of all, I took out my medium coffin tips and I got my sizes all ready. So this customer sent me a message about what she wanted and also the mood that she wanted, but it was mostly my freestyle. So she said colors, mood and the theme of the nails, but she said I could freestyle it totally. So I'm just jotting down on a notepad what she gave me and I'm going to show it to you right here. This is a little freeze frame of it. I decided to kind of stick with a pinky gold and white theme because I couldn't include every colour, and I included the aquamarine in the stones. So I'm just going to paint on this colour right here. This is a Milky Jelly from Born Pretty and it's a gorgeous milky white. And I'm going to do one coat of this and cure for 60 seconds. I already base coated these tips just to save time. And I did the usual etching and wiping down a acetone before I put the base coat on. So first up, for two of the nails, I'm going to do like a layered foil application. So I got that pink foil and I'm just going to put that on with this silicone tool onto two corners of the nail. So just the top left corner and the bottom right corner. And I'm just going to rub it in with my gloves when I'm done. And once that's on, I'm going to go over that with a really thin layer of the Gel Bottle Inks Marshmallow. So this is kind of like a nail bed colour. You'd use it for Frenchies. So it's kind of sheer and translucent. So I'm just going to do a thin layer. So it's just going to add to that layered look for the foil. You'll see in a second what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop this on, cure it. And then once I have this cured, I'm going to go in with another layer of foil. Not directly over the old foil, but just kind of in its place and edging around it. So it just looks a bit layered, like it looks a little bit like rose quartz kind of rock vibes. So you'll see at the end, it just looks, it gives it more dimension than just popping on a bit of foil and top coating over it. So I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. If you are, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions about anything in this video. I will reply to you as soon as possible. But next up, I'm going to do the ring fingernail, and I'm showing you these two stones here because these are my aquamarine kind of feature in this nail set. These stones do shift a little bit blue, so I thought they'd be lovely against the gold. So I'm going to pull out some gold stones as well and caviar beads. Going to get my McCart rhinestone glue to attach all these gorgeous stones. So just in the corner of the nail, I am applying the McCart rhinestone glue, and once that's on, you just leave that, don't cure it. And then I'm going to attach my stones with this picker upper right here. So the bluey stone is a pointed back crystal, so I'm just mushing it around all the glue there to make sure that it is completely covered with glue so that it doesn't move. And then I'm going to pop on some rhinestones. They're size SS11 and SS12, and I'm just going to pop them all around along with caviar beads. There was no rhyme or reason to this. I just popped them on and adjusted them as I saw fit. Kind of wanted it to have a little brooch effect, so it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just basically putting on the stones and then moving them with the picker upper until I think it looks exactly how I want it to look. Once it looks how I want it to look, then I just pop it in and cure. And I basically then copied the exact way I had it for the other nail for the other hand. So I'm just going to let you watch me applying these rhinestones, and I'll be back in a few. So next up, for the next two nails, I'm going to pull out this top coat and pop it over the milky white colour. And I got this a long time ago on AliExpress. I think they may still have it, but it's a no wipe top coat and it's so pretty. You can see the blue shimmer in it here as well. So I thought it kind of tied in with the blue in the stone. And it's no wipe, it's so handy. So I'm just putting a nice thick layer of that over two of the nails, and I'm just going to leave them nice and plain like that. Then I'm going to top coat this nail right here, which has the stones on it, and I'm going to make sure to go in and around the caviar beads and the stones, not over top of them, but just in around, and push that top coat up against them, so it'll just help them stay in place. And this is how they turned out in the end. I'm absolutely in love with them. I think they look really regal and elegant, and I can't wait to see if my customer loves them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you made this far, you're so good, and I'll see you in the next one.